Hello to my factory. I'm working at Miniexcavator wheels, and wheels is ready for assembly, but I do not to make assembly because it will be do by owner himself. So what I done right here, and I was making this board more larger. I make it inside a place for lock ring. I hope you can see it one side and another side. Then I make the shaft. This is already rod what can buy in store. Two bearings and my made bushings like a spacers, you know. And here we can see how it must looks before assembly. This is a shaft, side, bearing, and 1, 2, 3 spacers. What sits on the shaft. So, and then these sides hold bearings what can't move, like so, and lock ring holds a bearing, and then this can't run or flow, you know, somewhere away. So, and then here I done my work. I turn it down to 85 millimeters, this, and then it's required measure, and before I weld it up little bit, and I should still done this, but for this I must prepare. I can't set this into my lathe because I haven't extended jaws where I can clamp it right to here. But here I can clamp on this too, because it's like a taper and it can fly away and it can damage something, you know. And I think I put here some pipe welded, then by late I turn it down a little bit, it will be inaccurate, and then machine this bore to I can set there bearings, lock rings, shaft, etc, you know. So thanks for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.